Hey, what's up? Thank you for clicking on my video. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys, and let me get right into it. So I picked up Hunt's Manwich Original Sloppy Joe sauce. This is a 15-ounce can, so I felt like that was a good deal, but I just picked it up mainly for the convenience of me being at the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up the Chef Boyardee mini ravioli. I grew up on this stuff, and this is also a 15-ounce can, so I believe both of these are a good deal. Wasn't really sure, just picked it up for the convenience of them being there. This little thing is so cute and really good condition. I know probably when I was in high school they had like actual pans to cook with, and they were like all dented in. This is like super sturdy. I don't think that will happen to it very easily. I'm super excited about this. I just think it's really sleek and pretty, and for $1, super good deal. I feel like this would be really good for like cleaning strawberries or grapes or whatever for the summertime. I know a lot of people, I don't know if I'll end up doing that, but they let their kids play with their pots and pans while they're cooking. And maybe you could just pick up, you know, little things from the Dollar Tree for them to play with instead of the actual things that you're going to be cooking with. Then you got to clean them again. But this is like a cute little size if you even want to just put it in their playroom and they can pretend like they're cooking with it. Then for my mom, this was in like a set of 2. I just thought this one was pretty. This is all I needed for my mom for Mother's Day. It's got glitter on there, which I love, and I thought this was a pretty cute design that my mom might like. And then I really like the top. This is what the bottom looks like. It's kind of like wavy, I guess you would call it. And let me try to open this. So I wanted to show you guys the inside because it's not the best quality. And then I've got a couple of things in there for my mom already. The inside of this seems like a lot better quality. And then what I just realized as I took that off is they could use this for like a little pencil holder, or my hair and my boyfriend's hair is everywhere. This would be really cute. It's like a little pencil holder, or like put your scissors in there as well and stuff like that. So I thought that was really cute, except for I don't like the top. Or you could even put like fake flowers in there and then stick little presents in there and just forget the whole top. Maybe just take off the flower and the rope and save that for a different DIY or something like that. And then I picked up 2 of these because my apartment is trifling, and when we moved in, like 2 of the light bulbs burnt out in like a day, and we've only been in here for 2 months and all of the light bulbs are out. So I already used one of the packs. This is the biggest pack I could find. So I was super excited to find the 3-pack. And then I picked up these. I wasn't too sure about it, but these are new, or at least in my store. They're the Rich Radiance Skincare Cocoa Butter Cleansing Wipes. I always say wipes. But it removes dirt, oil, and makeup. These are pH balanced, hypoallergenic, not tested on animals, and for all skin types. Sorry if you guys don't like me reading it off. I just feel like it's a lot nicer than just pausing it for you guys and having you read it. But it says Rich Radiance Facial Cleansing Wipes nourish skin while removing face and eye makeup, even waterproof mascara. This formulation helps to condition and soothe skin. It leaves no greasy residue and is hypoallergenic. I picked up another one of these Oxy acne medication, maximum action, clinically proven to kill acne bacteria with cell renewal technology. It says in 4 hours, it reduces redness. It's a spot treatment. It has only 10% benzoyl peroxide and there's 0.65 ounces. And this expires next year in September. So I really like these. I'm very surprised. I've seen at multiple Dollar Trees there's still a lot left. I guess not a lot of people need them. So then I just tried this today. It's kind of a weird smell, but I expected it because it's more of like a medication for your skin. This is Aspexia Moisturizing Cleansing Bar. It's a 4-ounce bar. It removes oil and impurities, and I am going to be using this on my body because I do get body acne. Sadly, even in the winter, I just sweat during the night and wake up with acne. So It's super frustrating. It's something that I wish I did not have to deal with, but I'm hoping that this will help me with that. So I did pick up another bar just in case people are going to start grabbing these off the shelf because it is a name brand. I looked this up and it was $3 and I think 18 cents at Walmart. This is Via Natural Ultra Care Coconut Oil. Promotes stronger, shinier, and healthier hair. Moisturizes skin, cuticles, and nails. And moisturizing oil for hair, scalp, and body. Concentrated natural oils. Comes with 1.5 floor ounces. And this has a really, really nice smell. For the ingredients, there is definitely a lot, so I don't really like that. There's a mineral, sunflower seed oil, coconut, carrot seed oil, wheat germ, moringa, vitamin D, and perfume. Oh, and vitamin E. So I'm pretty sure I read off all the ingredients just like the shortened version of it. I picked this up because the end of my hair has been really frizzy and yeah, so I'm hoping that this will work for me. I've also been using it on my hands and I feel like the day after it was almost drier. So I don't know, maybe I won't be using it on my body, but I definitely want to try it on my hair. I haven't done that yet. This product contains nut-related ingredients that may cause an allergic reaction and keep away from flames. Helps strengthen hair to prevent brittleness and breakage. That's what I'm talking about. Helps promote hair growth by reducing loss of keratin from hair. Excellent for all textures, including natural styles, braids, extensions, and chemically treated or color treated hair. Can be used for hot oil treatment. I have been looking around and waiting for them to get a cute measuring spoon and cup set, but this is like the best I think it's gonna get. I'm gonna be mad if they get like something like this soon, which they might, but that's all right. This is actually a really good deal. Sometimes I just have the spoons and the cups separate. There wasn't even any other colors or anything like that, but I feel like it's gonna be a good set and we have been needing these. I have been eyeballing measurements and it has not been going good. Then I picked up this mirror. I missed the mirror that I had in my old apartment. It was a part of the medicine cabinet and it like opened in three different, like the middle, the sides, like it opened like three different ways so I could like see the back of my hair. So in this apartment I had to pick up one of these. I think this would be really fun to like bedazzle or something like that, but they also had some other colors. I believe there was pink and purple, but they weren't like shades that I was really into, or like darker colors, so I just went with the black, and this is by Basic Solutions. And then the last thing that I picked up, I'm super excited about, and I think I'm going to give it to my brother. This is like a football toy. It's All-Star Sports 3 Plus. And it's disguised as a toy, but it's really a squishy. And it's pretty slow rising. It's pretty big. So I wasn't able to get my hands on any of the squishies, like the fruits and stuff that people were hauling. And at the time, I was not needing to spend my money on squishies. So I picked this up, and I'll probably end up giving it to my brother because he likes football. So there's not really a point in me keeping it. But I also just wanted to pick it up so I could show you guys. I think this is a really good deal. I picked up 2 of these Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pens. Starts whitening as quickly as 1 day. So I picked up one for myself and one for my boyfriend. If these work, I'm gonna go back and buy a whole bunch of them. I probably should have just ended up doing that anyway. I wonder how much these are actually like at Walmart or wherever they sell them. So let me read the directions for you guys. Brush with your regular toothbrush and toothpaste. Side note, these get old in August, I believe that's what that is. The 8th? I think that's August of 2019. So, remove, cover, and twist clockwise. Initially requires multiple turns until gel appears. Paint gel onto entire front surface of upper tooth. each upper tooth you wish to whiten and let dry. Repeat for bottom. Okay, I thought they were saying just put it on like the top of your teeth. Okay, they're talking about just do the top and then let that dry, and then repeat for the bottom teeth. Using a fresh bead of the gel and wipe off excess gel from from your gums or lips. Avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes afterwards. All right, so I'm super excited to try that. I hope it works. I've been like planning to get my teeth professionally whitened. If I can find something that works for $1, I'm going to be super excited about that. Going into that same direction, I found this Crest 3D White. I've been wanting to try this. This was a pretty big container. Comes with 2.5 ounces, over 1.5 times more free versus 0.85 ounce. It's in Radiant Mint. Removes up to 80% of surface stains. This is how big the container is. So I'm super excited to try that. I don't think I've ever tried the 3D White. I feel like 3D White is like one of the most expensive toothpaste. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm being crazy, but that's what I feel. And then I picked up this, and I'm super hoping this works as well. I'm very excited about the things that I've picked up. This is a 2-pack of cocoa and shea butter treatment masks. It says an even complexion corrector, and that is something that I super need. So this is a 15-minute facial therapy with vitamins A, C, D, and E, just like the wipes. This is from the Rich Radiance brand. For the shea butter, it says it is a natural antioxidant rich in vitamins A and E, deeply moisturizes and repairs skin with its essential fatty acids. It has been used for centuries to treat severe dry skin, including eczema, and I have no idea what that says. I'm probably thankful that I don't know how to pronounce that. It also says it's pH balanced, hypoallergenic, not tested on animals, and for all skin types. To use, it says to cleanse your skin and remove any makeup. Open the sachet and remove the pre-moistened mask. It says to unfold, position, and place the mask to your face. Smooth mask gently with your fingertips and spread evenly over the surface. Wipe away any excess gel with a cotton pad or tissue. Wear it for 15 minutes. Make sure to wash off all remaining residue immediately after treatment, as leaving on longer can cause an allergic reaction. This is a one-time use product. Please use right after opening. Refrain from using if you have sensitive skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is everything that I picked up. I hope y'all are having a good day, and please give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching.